Monday morning, everyone. God, who joined? Oh, I was about to say, God, it's been so long since I came back to this whole thing. God damn, okay. I'm not gonna lie. I I looked at what I looked at do you know the previous post I did, the one about what the one Goodnight Grims game that I made like 4 hours, and it somehow got like really popular and like everybody loves it. Like that's not like the main thing I'm working on, because like that's meant to be like a one-off thing, but like apparently everyone wants it. I don't know. It's still kind of crazy to me, but I don't know. I not something I'm prioritizing right now. But how are y'all doing? God damn. I'm sorry. I keep going on like little side changes like that, instead of actually getting to the main point, which is like introducing the stream to all y'all. And so I guess I already did that, didn't I? Oh god damn. I don't know. I really do want to finish this, because like I don't know, this graphic feels too good not to use. God damn. Like look at Lord Gigi over here. Just look at her. From an angle, you cannot. I don't know. You can't. You can definitely see some, like, I guess, faults, like especially because like what the outline isn't really like an outline, and it's just like, and it's like, I don't know, it's all like separated in a way. Usually that wouldn't be a usually that'd be a problem, but like, but since you could barely make out Gigi in the first place, it really shouldn't matter. It might even add some flavor. I don't know. But it's alright. Did some of y'all know that I actually launched a Discord server for those who are asking for some reason. I don't know. It's pretty awesome. I say it's pretty awesome, but like there really isn't much going on. But it's alright. Main point is that what I don't know. Should I yap a little bit? Nah, I don't know. I'll save for later. If there's a mesh outline. There's a mesh outline tool on Mesh Instant 3D up on the toolbox. Is there really? Hold up. Oh, so there is, huh? I did not know that, actually. Wow. Thank you. Hold up. I want to see what Gigi looks like now. Hello. Hi, Mr. Ties. Can this update? Hold up. How do I like manually update this? Hold on. Ideally, I'd want all these to be like the fastest, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Even I don't know. Even though I've seen a lot in the past week, it doesn't really feel like it, because I don't know. I've been like so busy. I don't know. It's crazy to think about, but well. How do I get this update? Oh, I save it, right. Okay. Great. Create outline mesh. Hold up. 0.03, got it. Alright. That's when I look up. So that's how large it was. There we go. And I just want to add like a little. So this will be the actual thing now. Oh yeah, that's right. I did see. I misspelled Cecilia. I was in the middle of doing that and I just like completely forgot. Am I stupid? It's alright though. Hold up. While I fix this. Excuse me. And so supposedly I'm supposed to just put this here, and that's not okay. Wow. Ah, it works. Thank you. Ideally, it's supposed to drop from the back, but I guess it's all like inverted. I guess. Can I like uninvert it? I don't know. Guess it shouldn't really matter. It'll work. So I guess now this will work better. Yeah, there you go. Now it works a lot better. There you go. Hell yeah. Except it does that for some... Oh, right. Okay. No, I know. I forget. And that didn't fix it. Right. Okay. What's this? Why is the skin doing that? Skin. I'm gonna open a VS Code. Y'all can't see because I'm on my main setup right now, just because the VM just doesn't work, and I don't really feel like fixing it. And I already found a single window mode, so it's fine. It's alright, but alright. I need to look in a model. There you go. Alright, well, ideally, I don't want to... Okay, hold up. I want to save this to a, mesh outline. How about that? There you go. Alright, and then now that's, done over with. Skin, skeleton. Right, okay. Oh, did it really have to define? Hold on. I think I don't know. I think I'm missing something. Hold on. I think I might be a little stupid. Blend shape mode 0. Okay, and this. UV scale can't be like anything that much, so, primitive. Okay, skin data. Ideally, it should be the same, so why is it not, Yeah, it's just not, like, registering, like, at all, unless I'm supposed to do that, but, like, not really, because, like, I don't know. Oh, no, I fixed it. There you go. My bad. Just the skeleton was wrong. There you go. Now it works. Yay! There you go. Not bad. Alright. So, let's see. What was I supposed to do? That's right. I will, submit this as a, models fix GG this outline. There you go. And then I want to ideally remove this and rename this to Cecilia, because I spelled Cecilia wrong because I'm stupid like that. Alright, hopefully this should work, right? All of it? Ideally. And it does! Wow! Oh, look at her. Ideally, I'd want her to be in her own World 3D. There you go. Yeah. So if I do that right, then... Alright, yeah. That works out. Yay! Alright, typically they say to take small steps, but you know... Cecilia... what? Let's see, models... Fix Cecilia's name. There you go. Okay, pushing, pushed. Alright. Now what did I want to do this? I know I want to do something with this, but I just completely forgot. Oh, right. So first of all, I wanted to have her bottle rotation, like, I don't know, just more like interpolate towards the rotation more than just immediately snap to it. So I remember. Okay, I did this in like another game. It was like the Neuro game that I talked about the last time I did all all of this, the Game Jam one. But well, gay game mode intro. Hi, Mr. Jofi. Welcome in. Thinking right now. Move state. There you go. So to get the movement angle, we current what? Current Actually, no. What am I doing? I really could just do what? What? Lerp F, and then this, and then what's that? And I don't know. Let's make this like 0.3 right now. Or I mean, I guess. Hold on. Turning weight float, and it's gonna be like what? Like, I don't know, like 30 or something, because actually, I've decided I want to multiply it by delta now, so turning weight times delta. There you go. Hello, hi, Mr. Ethan. Welcome in. Guess what I'm doing now? Yay! Yay! Look at her. Jump true. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. God, I might want to decrease the turning weight, so it goes. Okay, yeah. How about that? There you go. Yeah, not. Maybe up it just a little bit. 22.5, maybe. Right. Okay. How do I fix that? Cause she does that. So ideally, I'd want to make her not do that. I know that. Okay, I know there's a way. Hold on. I literally did it like once before. Let me see. I'm gonna move away from chat for a little bit. Let's see. So current rotation is like what? Vector 3 is model Kara model global global basis times forward. Oops. Forward. There you go. And then normalized. Ugh. And then, what? I remember, right, okay. Here you go. This is what I did. Ugh. And then, what? Current rotation equals current rotation S slurp. To character look to what's character look direction? Let me see. I remember I had it here somewhere. Like I say, I don't know. A lot of things in my games are just such a mess. Constantly improving, but that also means that whenever I look back, I just don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's sort of a pain, but I don't know. What can I really do about it? Look direction. There you go. Alright, let's see. Camera local basis. Right, okay. So I guess if anything, let's see. Then I would like to move it to can I normalize this? Hold on. No, hold on. Okay, current models S slurp. Wait, you making GG RPG? I thought I thought I established this very clear. I was. Wait. Yeah, I want the angle, but, ideally, I want to make it so it's like a what? Basis from Euler. No, oops, sorry. And how about target rotation, how about that? And then target rotation shall be vector 3, and then what? Vector 3, 0. Oops. This and then 0. And so, I think I'm making this a lot more complicated than I need to. So target rotation is that, and then Kara model basis equals Kara model basis what was it? A slurp? I can do that, right? Yes, I can. And then basis. This should do it, honestly. Target rotation. And then turning weight times delta. How about that? Alright. And then we can boop boop. There you go. Look at her. Oh my god, it's working! Wow! Working, like, really well, actually. Even if I try to use my controller, Yeah. Okay. Not too bad so far. Okay. I think, I think in this case, I'd ideally want Gigi to be like the slowest, I guess. Just cause, what? Cause I don't know. I plan to make her like the more like default like precision based, I guess. If that makes any sense. Does mean that theoretically, I don't think I even have a G moving camera because I really could just parent a camera note to like Gigi, honestly. Should I? She walks like a Clash Royale card. Yeah, she kind of does, doesn't she? I wanted to make I want to make like a little graphic. I wish there was like a sprite editor in Godot. I know that I looked. Me and Lego peered around like the C++ code for Godot, and we discovered that there is sort of one, but I don't know. It's just not implemented yet. It's kind of fucked up like that, but well, what can you really do about it? Here, I'm gonna launch up Krita. I want to make a really quick. You know what? Fuck it. I don't need Krita. Let me. Maybe I need Krita. Wait, what's my target here? So not Cecilia. Gigi. There you go. Collision. 5. So ideally, you'd want to make a 5. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna break the rules. Hold on. What if what if I made a 6x6 instead of a 5x5? Well, no. Let's just start with a 5x5 first. Let's see. Let me make this what, view full screen mode, and then I'm gonna share this with share the window real quickly. Krita, there you go. That's not what that's not what it's meant to capture. There you go. Alright. There you go. Yay! There. So, Nicolai, I wanna make like a... I wanna make it like red, I guess. Or maybe orange for, well, gee, or maybe gray? No, but gray doesn't stand out as well. I don't know. I got flashbanged. My bad. Completely my bad. But let's reset the canvas to 6 and 6. There you go. Come on. There you go. Okay, well, boop. And then, boop. Ideally, you'd want to... Okay, well... Right, okay, that's why. Okay, 7x7, how about that? There you go. And then... And now, ideally all I need to do is just, okay, what if I do, like, something like this? And then this is just, opacity, something like 30, I guess. And just, oops. Something like that, I guess. And, like, maybe this could have, like, a little shine to it. Make it completely white. There you go. That just, I don't know. That looks like a Minecraft item. That looks like that looks like something you see like in Minecraft, like specifically on like the health bar. I just made like a Minecraft like UI sprite. That's crazy. But what if I'm okay? I could make a heart. Hold on. What? Let me try to make a heart. Just cause you know, GG. So let's see. Something like that should work just fine. There you go. And let's have a opacity 30, and then hold on, and then okay, maybe this is the part where I could add a little shine. Okay, no, that's too. There you go. No, that's still. I don't know. That looks so Minecraft. I don't know why. Let me search up something. Um. I'm thinking of something. I mean, okay. What if I just didn't have a... What if I was just like that? That could work. Hold on. Export. Let's just export this as like, I don't know. GG hitbox. There you go. Switch back to Godot. There you go. And let's import this in. So GG def. And let's import this hitbox thing in. There you go. Hell yeah. And then sprite 2D. Hitbox. Or I guess hitbox visualizer. How about that? And then just be that. There you go. Ironically, that's kind of big. It's fine though. Let's see. Could just shorten it a little. There you go. Okay, that just 1, 2. Okay, so apparently Gigi has a really fucking big. That's a lot bigger than I thought. Let's go back to the drawing board. So let's make this 9 by 9, I guess. Or maybe 11 by 11, maybe. There you go. And so, really, all we really have to do is just make this a little bit bigger. But erase some components, or just make it like that. That's fine too. And we could just do a little bit of that. Huh. Actually, I could something like that. That's a pretty reasonable heart. And just because it's lower GG, I could add some. I could have like, I'm gonna make this part a little darker actually. So how would I merge? That's not how I merge. Okay, it's Control E. My bad. Make it darker, and then we could have like a little... Like a very slight heart here. I don't know. Does that convey the no, that doesn't... That's not even close to conveying the message. Let's see. Um... So if I tilt my head like this... This is hard to visualize, actually. Now I'm actually trying to do it. What the hell am I doing? Genuine question, by the way. Like, what the... Huh. If I'm gonna be honest, all I'm doing is just clicking shit at this point. I mean, that could work. You add a little, Oh, right, I'm still on the eraser. And then we could add a little... This. There you go. Does that look like a heart? I don't know. If you look closely enough, it kind of does. It's like it's like supposed to be like a broken heart, but you know. Maybe like to sell the point better, I could add like more cracks, I guess. I don't know. It's really hard to try and visualize this with just a couple pixels. Try to make use like sub-pixeling or something. I don't know. Hold on. What if I... Okay, 32. I mean... I don't know. Hold on. How did... Let me just try to... Let me add the outline again. Because I do want to do that. Preferably on the backside. And GG Hit... How about just call this like GG Hitbox 2 or something? There you go. Alright, let's go back to Godot. GG Hitbox. There you go. Delete this. And get this in, actually. I mean, I guess it sells the point better. I don't know. Did I make that too complicated? I feel like I did. Just for this, honestly. Okay, ideally, I don't want to make the collision, like... Like, around here, I guess. Just, I don't know. That feels... I don't know. That felt like a little bit too detailed, I guess. Or maybe that's not the detail. It's... Hold on. I want to make this a lot more saturated. A lot more saturated, I guess. How about that? Because I remember... what? This is hard, actually. God damn. Let's fuse this for now. Fuse all of it. There you go. What if I made what if I just made this like a... a tad bit lighter, and then I colored that with a lighter shade. Okay, maybe a little bit darker. Okay, well, that's not what I meant to do. That's not what I meant to do. That's not what I meant to do. That's why are you doing that? I didn't want to do that. Is there like a no, no threshold? There you go. Yeah, there you go. Hell yeah. All right. Not. I could always try it. Fuck it. All right. GG hitbox. All right. Third iteration. There you go. Hell yeah. And now let's switch back to Godot. Let's try this out on GG. On Gigi. There you go. And okay, well I don't know what the I think okay, I think I'm sort of starting to see a problem here. Hold on. No, I know. Here, I'm switching back to Krita. Alright. I don't know. I need to work on this, on the general frame of the sprite in general. So, let me see. I think this is the base. Oops, not opacity 30. Something like this. Let's get rid of this and then just start from here. I think my main problem is just that I'm doing this. I look more. Cause like this is a very how do you describe it? Very pointy heart. I don't know, in a way. Unless you made it like this. I mean, that doesn't look so bad. But I guess because it's a very bright object, I could just represent the cracks with this. God, it's hard though. I won't lie. Especially with everything. God damn. Okay, no, something like that. There you go. Or maybe I should make it like at a 45-degree angle. I could just make it like a... Okay, now it just looks like a hat. Hold on. Alright, you know what? No, fuck it. Alright. What if, okay, what if I just... I wanna try to rotate this with like Krita or something. Alright, Krita. How would you do this? Let me see. Rotate layer, by, I don't know, like 20 degrees maybe. Okay, yeah. You know what? Fair enough. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. What if I rotate by like 5? Okay, no. What if I rotate this by 7.5 degrees? Not the entire image. No, just a layer. That's on me. 7.5. Yeah, that'll work. And I could, and it'd be something like this, I suppose. And then for the outline, I will make this like, I don't know, about 80. Okay. Get this. And then make this just a little bit, a lot brighter. And then I'll start doing the outline with this brighter shade of orange. What if I just coat this entire thing with like a lighter shade of orange? There you go. Um, I don't know. I'm just doing shit in like hopes that it works out. There you go. That looks convincing enough, I'll say. Alright, GG Hitbox fourth iteration. Let's see how this goes. Alright, switch back, and then let's try this once again, cause this one does not look that good. Alright, Hitbox Visualizer. There you go. There you go. Okay, well, it's getting. Oh no, alright, so it's getting there. This shade specifically is too. I don't know. How do I describe it? It's just too bright, I guess. Make it like a little bit darker. Maybe just not even a little bit lighter, just a little bit more like translucent, I guess. Alright, does this work? Alright, that's the 5th iteration of the hitbox. Goddamn. Kinda fucked up like that, but you know, it's just how it is. Hitbox 5. Here you go. Oh, Alright, we might need a 6th iteration. God damn. Me and my hitboxes, man. God damn. But it's all in the name of perfection. Don't worry about it. Alright, let's try 60 opacity. See how that works. I really could just like make the entire layer like, you know, invisible, but at this point, I guess I'm too late into the game now. God damn. GG Hitbox 6. If there's a 7th iteration, then I'll start doing that. God damn. Okay, so let's see. G Hitbox 6. And now honestly, okay, so it's accurate. It's accurately sized at least. Okay, well, okay. You know what? Not too bad. Not too bad, I'll say. Oh, I do think I'd want an animation player. So, let's see. New animation's name, just name it reset or something. Or not even reset, because it'll create the reset function for us, right? So, show And then modulate. Modulate A, how about that? And 255, not exactly what I want. Fortunately, I can't just do this yet for some reason, so I guess I'll just go with the regular old modulate. Okay, hold on. I want to make this. I want to make that a lot faster. Being real. There you go. And I don't know. It could just be like a basic anim, like a little basic old animation. And so basically these are just swapped around essentially. And but by default it's gonna be completely hidden. There you go. Show and then show loop. And then this would be like 0.9 or something. And then I'm gonna keep looping around like this. Copy this over here. So it's gonna be like... Actually, no, it should be extended. So maybe like something like that. And then 0.8 and there you go. And ideally I wanted to make this like that. You should make it cubic as well. Maybe like slightly less obvious. So 0.8. That. There you go. So I want to never mind. Actually, I want to lock that. There. Lock it. There you go. And then when show happens, then we will loop to show loop. There you go. Alright, and then now, GG character, and export hitbox visualizer. How that? Sprite 2D. There you go. Actually, no. Hitbox visualizer animator. How about that? Animation player. We'll add more as time goes. I'm not really planning to make this like super modular, but well. And then we could just do a Kara, hitbox, yeah, there you go. Hitbox visualizer animator. Play. Hide. Wait, what? Oh, cause this is handling the animations, right? Okay, hitbox visible bool false, and in sneak mode hitbox visible equals true, so that means that move this here. So, what? Okay, hold on. I really could just move this here. Hold on. There you go. Animation equals idle animation. There you go. I don't need to return here because I could just reuse the same shit, the same code. Because you know that's awesome. I love reusing code. Is what? Show if what? If hitbox visible, else hide. How that? Will that work? Right, okay. Anim, and then anim speed. Right, it probably shouldn't be doing that. Hide, and that can transition to, like, the reset. There you go. Huh. How? How would how would I exactly do this? Okay, let me make it like another function. Visualize handle hitbox visualization void, and then so ideally we only want to make want to make it happen once. So we just movie quite infinite. Oh, I see. Cause okay, the problem is the problem is it's playing over and over and over again. So last hitbox visible. Some of that. Okay, so is visible bool. So if is visible and Kara hitbox visualize. Okay, so I want to parse this right now. There you go. Animation. No, what would it be? Current animation? There you go. Current animation does not equal show. Then, play that. There you go. Oh shit, it's a new Full Moko song. I've actually never listened to this before. God. Take a listen to it. Goddamn. Wouldn't hurt, right? Okay, and then let's handle hitbox visualization, hitbox. Well, there you go. How about that? God damn it. Okay. Cause that's right. Cause you have a transition. That's still not working. Why is that? Why is it doing that? Because ideally this should be the default animation. Right. Okay. So why is it doing that? What if? Okay. What if I just don't do anything here? What happens? Okay. So it doesn't show up. But if I do this and if not is visible and or show what do I name this? Show underscore loop. Right. Okay. If not is visible and that, then why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? God damn. Even I don't know. Even something like this is like infuriating. It's kind of fucked up in something like that. Slight bit of a shame, but you know, that's just how it is. Show. Okay, show doesn't equal show or. Why is it doing that? All right, hold on. God damn it. Okay. I see. Okay. No, I got it. Um. Hitbox is hidden. Hitbox hidden. Bool equals fault equals true, I guess. Hitbox visible. But then we already have that there. Alright, so how about Okay, I know how to do this. It won't be pretty though. So last hitbox visible. This is like the most like archaic method ever, but you know, fuck it, whatever. So what? So last hitbox visible equals is visible. There you go. And what? If is visible equals last box is visible, then return. Right, okay, so I feel like regardless, there you go. This feels a lot better if I'm doing like huh. Player move special, but I want to use. I don't know. I want to use keyboard. Oh wait, I've been changing to wrong screen this entire time. God damn it. Silly me. Your fault for not noticing, I guess. But yeah, that's accurate. There you go. Okay, not too bad. All right. All right. Ideally, player move special should be like what? Huh. Okay, so it should be what? The right mouse button, and then maybe it could be what? In controller, it could be like that. Okay, so player move special. Okay, I mean that is okay. On controller doesn't feel so bad. How about keyboard? All right. All right. Okay. No, that does not feel nearly as bad. All right. Great. Nice. All right. Alright, so I binded slowing down and hitbox to right click, so I think it'll be fine like that. I can't say I can't help but feel like I am really goddamn slow. I can't lie with you. I'm gonna up the. There you go. I feel okay. I feel a lot better now. There you go. Huh. Ideally, what? I want okay. I want the camera to follow Gigi, but like not like. Yeah, drag. Okay, horizontal and nail. Yeah, okay. There you go. Yeah, that's sort of thing I'm looking for right here. Okay, so I want drag, but maybe for later. I wonder, does camera 3 have this by default? Probably not, right? Yeah, okay, no, where's my like Unity in that aspect? Excuse me, goddamn. I've always wondered what these are. You know, I guess we'll never know. Okay, so ideally, okay, so at least the hitbox works. So I'm gonna write that down. Not write that down, but like I wanna make a commit to there. The hitbox 6. That's the final hitbox we used, and you know, pretty cool. Goodness me. Let's see. Default state. Project Godot. GG. What? GG added hitbox visualizer and upped speed. There you go. Not so bad. Alright. God. This feels so nice. Oh, there it is. That's when it popped. There you go. Yay! Yay! Look at it. Look at it. Look at her. Goodness me. I'm gonna have to fix this in a bit, but well, not fix. I don't know. What did I want to do with it? What did I want to do again? I don't know. Look at her. God damn. That's oh yeah, that's right. I wanted to had a health system. That's right. Okay. So Gmurin character. Let's look up the symbol real fast. So let's see. Export var health. Actually, I guess so. Health is what? Int. It's gonna be like. Maybe she has like. I wonder if Gigi should work with heart. I wonder if the system should work with hearts rather than just like, you know, a health bar. Just cause like what? I do want to add like I feel like that'd be like more challenging in a way, I guess. Maybe I don't know. So theoretically, I think you only have like 3 hit points to like you die, but you know you can restore maybe. Perhaps I don't know. Perhaps you can start off with a lot of hit points, but then as you go on, you have to like sacrifice your I don't know. You have to sacrifice your HP to like get more powerful, I suppose, in a way. So like sacrifice your max health, I guess. Maybe. I'm still thinking. In that case, I think it'd be more fitting to have like an HP, which is literal hit points. Just have that like 3 right now. Oh, should we have it for like every character? Or, like, So at the start they have a what? Max HP, and for now it's just gonna be 3. There you go. But for later, I think I want. Okay, I feel like I really should make a whatchamacallit? A block bench. I want to make a an animation for this. That's right. Alright, let's full screen this. I'm gonna switch like block bench right here. If I can not VLC video source, a window capture, and Windows 10 and a block bench. There you go. Yay! There you go. Alright. Let's drag this in. Let me there you go. Alright. And now let's select Gigi. Yay, look! Everyone, look, it's Gigi! Gigi Murin! Gigi Murin! Hi! Look at her. She's so cute. Look at her. I can't look at this and not think she's not cute. Oh my god. Aw, 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 aw. Look at her. Look at her. It's fine though. Alright, what was I looking to do? Hmm. Should Gigi have like a knockback animation or like no? I don't know. No, I'm saying that like anybody's here to give me advice in the first place. There isn't. I'm essentially just here on my own with lurkers, but well. That's the beauty of me being schizophrenic, I guess. Not really. Just less of my shark rams joined this time around. Which is fair. Honestly, at this time of hour, it's a Monday morning. I guess everyone's EP. Maybe I'm EP. I am EP, but well. It's just one of those days, ain't it? It's fine. You know what? Now that I think about it, what's even the last thing I streamed? I completely forgot. God damn. It's alright. Should she have a hurt animation? I don't know. I guess I manage everything in this game, so I might as well just make a hurt animation just in case. What if I just made the hurt animation like as dramatic as possible for no reason? So like it's gonna be like what? It's just gonna be like rotate the hips like that, and then the thigh should be like this. Well, this is just a little bit more like grounded, I guess. This whole leg. Just more like what am I doing? Move this a little bit more down. No. I don't know. It's tough. And for the head. I could just make this a lot more not more expressive, I guess. Like in pose, I guess. That's not what I mean to do. Like that. There you go. And maybe rotate this a bit downward. There you go. There you go. Oops. Me want to rotate around the wrong axis. There you go. Just, I guess just that post would do fine. No. And she like, I don't know, she like flashes for a little bit before, you know. And we want, ideally, we want to have like invincibility frames too, so. You know, I'll save it. Excuse me. I'll save it for another time, I guess. Let's focus on her getting hurt, which pains me to say, but you gotta do what you gotta do, I suppose. So collision. I guess I might treat it like a hitbox right now. There you go. Just for right now. Oops, sorry about that. How do I, collision shape, right? Oh, right, because, okay, yeah, characters, solids. What the hell do I name, what the hell do I name the, I spelled physics wrong, man, stupid. There you go. Alright, what do we name this? This layer? Like, I named this, I guess you could just name it, like, that sounds fucking stupid. Harmfuls, maybe? I don't know. God. And mask. Mask? Let's see. Object 2D scans. Okay, well, it should collide with, it shouldn't collide, I don't know. I don't think it should collide with characters, okay. That's one thing I want to make clear. But, we named this, like, Y-Sword, I guess. For sprite thingies. And then... What do I want to say? Animation... Man! I'm tweaking right now, hold on. I don't know. Let's just make a static body 3D, right? And then let's make a collision shape. Yep. And make this a rectangle, just a basic rectangle. And I'm gonna move this. Okay, just move. No, okay. Lock the G moving camera, move this over here, I guess. And then ideally, Sprite 2D. I'm gonna make this like a really basic, yeah, sure, let's just use icon SVG again. And... 0.1. No, try to resize it. Oh my god, it's Fukureta. Listen, everyone. Don't you love Fukureta? I do. God damn. Harm test. How about that? Alright, so this is gonna be, what? Layer 1, harmfuls. Alright. And so, okay, this is not tough. I just, you know, it's more like, I don't know. I've been at this for a while, so let's just say I'm a little tired. But it'll be fine, probably. Um... Mama, 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 mama. Mama, mama, mama. I am so unsure what to do here. Goddamn. Goddamn. What do I get for a stream at this hour? Honestly, okay, if I'm feeling this fatigued, should I Oh, okay, stream's kind of back. Sorry. I saw the okay, I saw the bars drop and like, I give up. I don't know. I'm fucked up in that regard. I don't know. I don't think I should push myself that hard right now. I think alright, so how about just game ready up for harmfuls, I guess. Like, what am I supposed to say about this? There you go. Alright. There you go. You know what? That's good enough. For now. I'm sorry if this wasn't so, I don't know. It's not like the most entertaining thing in the world, but, well, I don't know. I really do truly enjoy love doing this sort of thing, so I don't know. It's like relaxing, but also like kind of hard. So like I don't know. It's like kind of hard to like balance, but creating a whole entire game on stream. I don't know. The prospect of it just sounds like fun. It's okay though. I don't. Honestly, okay. It's kind of tough on what I want to say because like it's not like today was like a super bad day. I don't know. I don't know. Basically all my views just poof and like vanished essentially. But it's fine. The fucking dude. Okay, just about end stream. I swear. What? Does anyone actually fall for like for like these bots like spamming like view botting like spaces like websites? I mean, you gotta genuinely wonder because like goddamn, kind of fucked up that way. But that's just how it is. It's fucked up, but well, what can you really do about it? That's kind of on Twitch, not me. I'm sorry. It's sort of anticlimactic, but I'm really glad that I got some progress in it at least, because some progress is better than no progress, and even if there's not really anyone with me actively at the moment, I still want to work on this. Some people do genuinely like that. But people have lives and everything. I'm like all saying this like I'm trying to reason to myself and like peel it by myself. Just talking like no like literally no one's watching. So I don't know. Sometimes I was about to say sometimes like some my mom used to say that people that talk to themselves are like crazy people, right? And I don't know. I think I think I am one of those crazy people. But like, I think what she meant by that was like really, really weird people, like really, really creepy people. I don't know. I don't think I'm creepy. I mean, hopefully I'm not creepy. If I'm creepy, let me know. Cause like, goddamn, I would feel so bad, and you know, that's not the last thing I want to do. But well, anyway, sorry for the side tangent. But yeah, um, I think I don't know. I think it's about time I'd be heading to bed. Either that or just like I don't know. I just hop on Unisme again. It's slow and steady progress, but I still do want to do something. I don't know. I love GG Moody. I wanna make a game so bad, but like you know, make game development is slow sometimes, like really really slow. Just how it is though. All right. Well, before I get even more sidetracked, I think I will end stream here. So to any, I don't know. Like I said, if I'm feeling lonely, I usually say this line. So to any VOD watchers or anyone out there, anyone who just stopped by, thank you so much for just being or just tuning in. I like to appreciate it, even if you're just a lurker. Like I can see you. Not like lurkers often show up in the streamer avatars thing, but well, that's just how it is, I suppose. Well, anyway, uh, I'll see you all later. Alright, bye everyone. Bye my little shark grams. I'll see you another day. Probably like, I'm not sure actually. School's ending soon. I'll probably have more time. I say like I haven't been streaming like at least 4 times a week, but whatever. I mean, I think anyway. Shit. Whatever. All right. I'll see you all later. Bye everyone. Ayasu Annie. Bye. Oh yeah, that's right. About that. I don't know. A friend has suggested that to me. He's like, oh my god, I'd never thought of that before. So you know what? I'm gonna keep saying it like at the end of the stream now. Ayasa Annie.